to remove your Instagram account from another devices. In a world where our devices are our lifelines, security is everything. Picture this, you are sipping your favorite coffee scrolling through Instagram when a sudden thought hits you. Did you forget to log out of Instagram on that friend's phone? Or maybe you are concerned someone else might be snooping around your profile. Afraid now. Here's a quick guide to reclaim your digital privacy and keep unwanted devices off your Instagram account. First of all, you have to open Instagram app on your device. Make sure you already have logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this page, select three-line icon at the top right corner to access your settings and activity page. Here you have to select account centers at the top of the screen. Once you open it, on your account settings, select password and security. Here are different kinds of options for login and recovery and security checks. So under security checks, you have to select where you are logged in button and choose your Instagram account. Now here, you will see all your account login activity. If you see any unwanted or unknown devices, you can simply select those devices where you want to log out your Instagram account. Simply select the devices to log out button and then choose the device. Then tap on logout button and then again select logout button. And there you have it. With these steps, you can enjoy your coffee with peace of mind knowing your Instagram account is secured. So in this way, you can easily remove your Instagram account from another devices and log out from here. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.